Looking at Hotel Riu Playacar in Playa del Carmen, Mexico. This adults-only resort has been making waves since its transformation in 2020. After starting as a family-friendly property back in 1998, the hotel made the bold decision to rebrand as an adults-only destination, and frankly, it was a smart move. The property sits right on the pristine Playacar beach, offering guests that perfect Caribbean escape without the chaos of screaming kids running around the pool deck at 7 in the morning. The accommodation options at Hotel Riu Playacar cater to different budgets and preferences, though all maintain that modern Caribbean vibe the resort is known for. Standard rooms clock in at a comfortable 32 square meters and come with either king or twin beds, depending on your preference. These rooms include all the essentials like air conditioning, which is absolutely crucial in the Mexican heat, a minibar that gets restocked daily, a safe for your valuables, and a private balcony where you can enjoy your morning coffee while overlooking the garden or catching partial sea views. The bathrooms feature walk-in showers, and recent renovations have added smart TVs and USB charging stations. Because let's face it, we all need to keep our devices charged for those Instagram-worthy sunset photos. Superior rooms offer the same square footage, but with upgraded furnishings and guaranteed sea views, plus you get bathrobes and slippers, which might seem like small touches, but really do make a difference when you're trying to feel pampered. The junior suites bump up the space to 42 square meters with a separate living area and sofa bed, perfect for couples who need a bit more room to spread out. At the top of the range, the Suite Riu Palace rooms are where luxury really kicks in. These 60 square meter suites come with private terraces featuring plunge pools, butler service, and panoramic sea views that will make you never want to leave. The 2022 renovation really shows in these rooms, with modern furniture and upgraded bathrooms that feel genuinely luxurious rather than just fancy looking. When it comes to dining, Hotel Riu Playacar takes the all-inclusive concept seriously, with 4 distinct restaurants and multiple bars scattered around the property. La Hacienda serves as the main buffet restaurant, focusing on Mexican cuisine with an impressive spread that includes fresh tacos, ceviche, grilled meats, and local specialties that give you a real taste of the region. The restaurant operates throughout the day with breakfast, lunch, and dinner service, and they regularly host live music and themed nights that add some entertainment to your dining experience. For those seeking a more intimate dining experience, La Palapa offers international cuisine in an a la carte setting with a smart casual dress code. The menu features fresh seafood, perfectly cooked steaks, homemade pasta, and solid vegetarian options, all served in an atmosphere enhanced by live jazz performances on select evenings. La Pizzeria does exactly what you'd expect, serving wood-fired pizzas alongside fresh salads and pasta dishes. And they even offer pizza-making classes for guests who want to learn the art of authentic Italian pizza preparation. La Cantina brings the Mexican experience full circle with traditional dishes like enchiladas and tacos. Plus, they host regular tequila tastings where you can learn about Mexico's national spirit while sampling different varieties. The bar scene includes a main bar, which serves as the social hub with cocktails, spirits, and beer available until midnight, complete with happy hour specials and live music. The beach bar specializes in tropical cocktails and cold beer, perfect for those lazy afternoon moments when you don't want to venture far from your beach lounger. The pool bar keeps the party going with snacks, cocktails, and smoothies. Plus, they organize poolside games that can get surprisingly competitive among guests. The pool and beach facilities represent one of Hotel Riu Playacar's strongest selling points, with 3 main pools designed to cater to different moods and preferences. The main pool measures 25 meters by 12 meters and serves as the activity hub during the day, complete with swim-up bars where you can grab a drink without leaving the water. The adults-only pool offers a more tranquil experience at 20 meters by 10 meters, perfect for couples seeking a quieter atmosphere for reading or just floating peacefully. The infinity pool, though smaller at 15 meters by 8 meters, provides those picture-perfect moments where the pool seems to blend seamlessly with the Caribbean horizon. All pools operate from 7 in the morning until 8 at night, with poolside service ensuring you never have to go thirsty or hungry while soaking up the sun. The beach itself stretches for 200 meters of white sand bordered by swaying palm trees, creating that postcard-perfect Caribbean scene. The calm waters make it ideal for swimming, snorkeling, and various water activities like kayaking and paddleboarding. Beach volleyball courts provide some competitive fun, while the beach bar ensures you can grab a cold drink without trekking back to the main resort area. Sun loungers and umbrellas are provided along with towel service, so you don't have to worry about hauling beach gear from your room every day. Activities at Hotel Riu Playacar focus on keeping guests entertained without overwhelming them with too many structured programs. The fitness center features modern equipment including treadmills, ellipticals, and weight machines, plus yoga mats for those who prefer bodyweight exercises. Daily fitness classes include yoga, Pilates, and aerobics, with schedules posted at the front desk and fitness center. The resort's entertainment team organizes various activities throughout the week, including dance classes where you can learn salsa and merengue, trivia nights that can get surprisingly competitive, and karaoke sessions that bring out everyone's hidden singing talents. Live performances feature Latin bands and DJs, plus cabaret shows that add some theatrical flair to evening entertainment. Water sports equipment is available for beach activities, and the resort can arrange excursions to nearby attractions for guests wanting to explore beyond the property boundaries. The entertainment strikes a good balance between organized fun and letting guests create their own relaxation schedule. The spa and wellness facilities provide a perfect escape from the Caribbean sun and social atmosphere when you need some quiet rejuvenation time. Treatment options include various massage styles, with the signature Mayan massage incorporating traditional techniques and local ingredients. Facial treatments use high-quality products designed to combat the effects of sun and saltwater exposure, while body wraps and scrubs feature local ingredients like coconut and tropical fruits. The coconut body scrub has become particularly popular among guests, leaving skin soft and lightly scented with tropical fragrance. Spa facilities include a sauna and steam room for post-treatment relaxation, plus a comfortable lounge area where you can extend your spa experience with herbal teas and light snacks. Manicure and pedicure services help keep your hands and feet looking good throughout your vacation, which is especially appreciated given all the beach and pool time. The spa operates from 9 in the morning until 7 at night, with treatments bookable online before your arrival or at the spa reception once you're at the resort. Hotel Riu Playacar's location in Playa del Carmen puts guests within easy reach of some of the Riviera Maya's most famous attractions and experiences. The vibrant town of Playa del Carmen sits just 2 kilometers away, easily walkable or a quick taxi ride, offering shopping, dining, and nightlife along the famous 5th Avenue pedestrian street. Eckerett Park, located 15 kilometers from the resort, provides a full day of eco-archaeological entertainment with underground rivers, butterfly pavilions, and spectacular evening shows celebrating Mexican culture and history. The resort offers organized excursions to Eckerett, making it easy to experience this world-renowned attraction. The ancient Mayan ruins of Tulum, perched dramatically on cliffs overlooking the Caribbean Sea, lie about 60 kilometers away and represent one of Mexico's most photographed archaeological sites. Organized tours from the hotel include transportation and guided visits, providing historical context that makes the experience much more meaningful than wandering around on your own. Cozumel Island, accessible by ferry about 40 kilometers away, offers world-class diving and snorkeling opportunities, with the resort able to arrange day trips that include ferry transportation and diving excursions for certified divers or snorkeling adventures for beginners. After spending time analyzing guest feedback and professional reviews, Hotel Riu Playacar emerges as a solid choice for adults seeking a lively, all-inclusive Caribbean experience. The resort's greatest strengths lie in its prime beachfront location, diverse dining options, and entertaining atmosphere that strikes a balance between party vibes and relaxation opportunities. The 2022 room renovations have addressed many previous complaints about outdated accommodations, though some guests still report that certain rooms could use additional soundproofing, especially those near the main pool and entertainment areas. The food quality consistently receives high marks, with guests particularly praising the variety and authenticity of Mexican dishes at La Hacienda and the romantic atmosphere at La Palapa. Service levels generally impress visitors, with staff members frequently mentioned for their friendliness and willingness to accommodate special requests. However, the resort's lively atmosphere, while perfect for social guests, can sometimes feel overwhelming for couples seeking a quiet retreat, and noise levels can be an issue during peak season and holiday periods. The all-inclusive package offers good value, especially considering the prime location and variety of included amenities, though some premium services and excursions require additional fees. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give a thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.